DPC, our mayor, and all the sports fraternity. Thank you for embracing these programs. I request the whole community to continue embracing these programs for the development of our region. Thank you.
Today, for the races that have happened today. We are very happy and need many athletes to be churned out and nurtured from. He's greeting everybody who has come here. And thank you for each and every one.
Okay.
Furaha iko kwa moyo zawe na is international. Uganda Wildlife Authority, they are in charge management of mountains and national in this country. Those are the champions of this country.
Okay.
Uganda Police is in charge. Prison.
All right.
John Ebeshanet, Manager,
to stand here. And then
Yeko Dismas from Uganda Prison Service is the gold medalist. Mutai Ezekiel from Uganda Prison Service awarding Chamonges Leonard of Uganda Wildlife Authority. They are not only protecting the flora and fauna. Number six. Yes, that is Yoko James Justin. 140,000 shillings. Yes.
All right, from there, I'm sure one of the great men. Kaza. Okay, sit down, women.
Ulipatia hawa ndogo ndogo.
Lagi mabondo. Where? Hello? Ano mabondo? Apo daw iso to ko.
Abedi mo. Kaje kaje brother mo. Pare. Abedi mo. Kaje
Isu cuma yang ina.
ulipatia wa ndogo ndogo.
Master of ceremony.
Konsa kwane ambayo ikile jito kon ashaki chairman. Joshua Cheptegei, Kiprotich.
Please step forward. Please.
Teru.